In Wednesday's business news, China's Communist Party Congress has given President Xi Jinping 5 more years. Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino joins us from New York with a look at what this all means for Africa and the world. Jill.
Hi there, good afternoon. So as predicted, Chinese Communist Party Congress gave Xi Jinping a second 5-year term, and it's almost certain now that China he should go beyond his new 5-year term. And his intention is to make certain that the party remains the sole governing body in China for decades into the future. Now, Xi has made it his intention that China, the most important country in the world in coming decades, and the expansion will also go geopolitically into areas such as the South China Sea. That will be extended, not diminished. And China's military and economic might shall probably challenge the U.S. dominance at all times and just about everywhere.
Now, Jill, we know that China has done quite a lot in terms of infrastructure in the continent, but what are some of the potential impacts really for the continent?
Well, it's interesting because China's not only a member of the United Nations Security Council, it's also the world's most populous country, but more importantly, it's the world's second largest economy. It is Africa's biggest trade partner, investment and major infrastructure financing partner. And President Xi at the 2015 Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, remember that he announced $60 billion to assist in the continent's development the following 3 years. Now, this program, which has seen the development of major connectivity infrastructure in the past couple of years, like rail lines, ports, hydro dams, roads, and stadia in Western and Eastern Africa, ends this year. And these are several projects that we have spoken out on the show. But it is expected that this will continue into the future. Apart from bilateral deals that have seen China undertake major infrastructure projects in most African nations, the Chinese are also helping to construct industrial parks for massive absorption of the continent's younger unemployed population. Now, this is the case with Kenya, Ethiopia, and most recently Congo, where the Chinese are building 2 industrial parks. Another major plant is due to commence in eastern Nigeria as well.
Oh, Jill, thank you so much for your reporting.
Thank you.
Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino reporting live from New York.